What's up? Today I have a friend over with me, and we will be playing the game Guess That Squishy. It's so much fun. So we have all these squishies, as you guys can see. All of these are my squishies. But these, yeah, they're like costumes. So these, like this guy, would go inside of the duck. The duck eats the tiger, which is very, very unusual. And then this raccoon eats the panda, like that.
Like that. Oh, it looks like that.
Yeah, it's supposed to look like that. And then you can take it out. So yeah.
It's safe.
This is her.
Hi.
Oh.
Tired.
Okay. So right now she's gonna have her eyes open, and I'm gonna hand her a squishy. Here you go.
Ooh, it's the pill.
Oh my God, Naya.
It's the pill.
Oh my God, friend.
That was really hard.
Okay.
Salt shaker.
Oh my
Salt
God.
shaker.
Okay, so actually, you just squish all these squishies, okay?
Like if you have a dirty mind.
Yes. He's dead.
He's dead.
So this turtle, a friend. A friend.
It's not really a friend.
She's not really a friend. She's in my class. She decided to rip off the head of my galaxy turtle, Abraham Lincoln Galaxy Turtle.
Is it gonna be okay, Squishy?
Yeah.
Oh well.
It was not her. It was not her.
Soft. This is softer. This is softer. This has a.
Okay, you have to squish all of them.
At
least one.
This donut is burnt.
It's a burnt dead donut.
This one's perfectly cooked with nothing. It's flawless.
Yeah.
This
And it
donut is
smells like
flawless.
strawberries too.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I got that for my birthday from my
Oh,
sister.
this doesn't smell like anything. This
No.
smells like laundry detergent.
Freaking laundry detergent? What
But
the
I
heck?
love this squishy.
Okay,
It's-
come on, you have to squish
I
3
like that
more.
It's so slow rising.
The bagel somebody ripped.
I don't like this bagel.
He has a weird smiley face on a heart.
Ugh.
The panda, then the tiger, then the pill. Okay,
I squished all of them.
so
Now what
what you have to do is you have to close your eyes and keep them closed. I am trusting you, okay? So keep your eyes closed. And I will hand you a squishy, and you have to tell me what squishy it is.
Give me a squishy. This has to be either the panda or the bear. Is this the tiger?
I can't tell you the answers until the end.
Oh, this has to be a donut. Is this the flawless donut? Yeah, this is the flawless donut.
I dropped it.
Why would you drop a donut?
Sorry.
Give me another one. This is the bagel. You have to write these down because you need to remember which one goes. And it's give me. This has to be. This is the bear panda thing. The one with the purple costume. Oh, I love this. What is it called? Is it like a cinnamon bun? It's like this pink thing with the white stuff in it. I forgot what it's called.
When you're done, hand it back to me. Oof.
This is the burnt donut. This is the burnt donut.
Okay.
Give me another one. Oh, this is the pill! Here, I'm done.
We're not.
Take that pill.
Hmm.
Oh. This is the narwhal.
That's the marshmallow. Okay,
What?
it's a marshmallow. Okay, it's not a narwhal. It's a marshmallow. Which part of the body is that one?
This is the head. It's from the Galaxy Turtle.
I feel so bad for the turtle though.
I feel so bad for it.
You got them all right, so you got them all
Score.
right. You know all of my squishies very well.
I was guessing between these two because
It's
these
a
look
duck,
completely identical.
and it's a raccoon.
Oh, this one has a crack in it.
Yeah, because my friends went rip, trying to get it out of here. So,
Dun. Dun, dun.
and I don't really know
I
what
remember
else to
seeing
do
some-
today. So, that'll be like all for today. Adios. Till next time.
Bye.
Mr. Piggly Wiggly says bye. Mr. Piggly.
Dun, dun, dun.
Hey!